Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 2017 17 plate 335D M Sport Saloon. The vehicle is presented in the mineral grey, and alongside that we've added a full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit. We've also included a set of brand new 19-inch 763M style alloys that are finished in the frozen grey. The frozen grey effect really works nicely with the metallic of the mineral grey. As you can see there, sitting behind those alloys, you'll see the M Sport Plus brakes. It also has the facelifted LED headlamps, as you can see. Down the side of the car, alongside the very striking alloys, you can see the satin side vinyls, gloss black sidebars, and of course on the rear windows, again thanks to the M Sport Plus pack, we do have the sun protection glazing. Another feature for this 335D that works well with all of the exterior features is the wonderful Oyster Dakota leather, which in the front comes with the electric movement, memory, and of course the heated seat function. We've got the Harman Kardon surround, again thanks to the M Sport Plus package. We do have the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, which works fantastically in conjunction with the X-Drive 4-wheel drive system. Moving on to the rear, where we find a 3-seat rear bench, central folding armrest, which is of course all ISOFIX equipped. Darkened M Sport headlining, again that works in a very nice contrast with that lighter interior colour. It's only a handful of times we opted to go for the frozen effect on these alloys on a 3 Series, and I have to say it looks really well. I've gone for the high gloss finish on the rear spoiler, and it has got the original ferric grey rear diffuser on this 3 Series, and that works really well again. Opening up the boot, you can see just how large the boot area is on the F33 3 Series, and this one also comes with the optional split folding seats, which we're going to demonstrate just how large of an area that will make for you. Round onto the driver's side, once again you can see that fantastic finish on those alloys working nicely, alongside it being a very clean and tidy example. So quickly just demonstrate that split folding seat action for you, and then we shall hop on inside the driver's side, as there is yet more special features awaiting us in the driver's side. So that will just free you up for those longer, larger items. Within the driver's side, we've got the extended storage feature, which of course gives you that little bit of more freedom for storing things in and around the vehicle. Starting the car up, you can see down here we've got the dual climate controls along with the switches for these heated seats. We've got the BMW business navigation and media screen, and we shall run you through what is included on that in just a second. So whilst the sat nav loads up, it's covered a very low mileage of just over 18,000 miles. We've got the cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls, all on the multifunction M Sport steering wheel, alongside the pedals for the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. And there you can see that wonderful sat nav system. We've also got Bluetooth, telephone and audio, along with DAB and a huge amount of multimedia inputs, including CD, external devices for USB, AUX, and of course I've already mentioned the Bluetooth audio. Going into the main menu, we'll check out this vehicle's service requirements and service history. So in terms of its next service, the next service for the car is not due for 11,000 miles time. And up at service history, as you can see there, it has got full BMW service history, which is of course always a great peace of mind. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this wonderful walk around video of another stunning spec F33 335D M Sport. I'm hoping you've enjoyed it and been able to find it useful. And of course, if you would like to find out more about the car, you can follow the links down below in the description that will take you through to our website, alongside direct contact information for ourselves here. Thank you once again. Do of course take care, and we shall hopefully see yourselves very soon. Bye bye.